Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is a 15, 20 or 30 metre hose reel for all different makes in the marketplace. So what we've done is we've done this with standard BSP threads. Now let's look at this side. This is the side here that connects up to the gun, and this side here is what connects up to the pressure washer itself, the machine. We've got all different sorts of bayonets and fittings, so what we've done, if you have to change your machine at any stage for any reason you want to, you can do. So we've got all different types of bayonets there. That is standard BSP 1/4 inch BSP. So all these fittings we have here all screw in to the actual elbow. We've done it as an elbow. The reason being is that certain one there goes into the nilfisk, so it can be set up on that side with a 90 degree. All the others will also screw in. You can also loosen it off at that point there if you wanted to, and make it so it suits the twist and turn to suit your machine at the bottom as it goes down the wall and in. The other side, we've got the trigger side. So same again, we've got all the stuff again, 1/4 inch BSP fitting. Some of them have got swiveling, there's one of them here, but we've also got a separate swivel altogether. So if you wanted to, you could make any of these couplings, fittings, swivel. So if you wanted to attach the fitting there, which is the Karcher fitting, Karcher quick release probe, you could do and make that as a swivel. If you wanted to attach the nilfisk, also you could do. This fitting here is automatically a swivel, so Kranzels and stuff like that, 22mm screw fitting, that is a swivel there, or you can have the standard without the swivel system 22mm screw fitting. You've then got the larger nose system, which we have in the marketplace with the 14.5mm nose, not the 14mm nose. Slightly bigger is the blue one. We've then got the other one that's in the marketplace on the guns. Some of them mixed clusters, so this is 1/4 inch BSP. It then goes to L8 14mm. So that would then attach in there. You can then attach your gun onto it. If you really wanted to, there's nothing to stop you from putting the swivel in between, so it swivels. So it would do that as well. So that swivel can be bought separately in the marketplace. This side here, back to this side, this is the machine side. So like I just said before, this is the 14mm again, the 14.5mm blue one, the larger nose type. You've then got the standard Karcher Kranzel screw fitting there. You've then got also the old type nilfisk screw fitting, which is also for Q screws and also Alto, so Q, Alto, nilfisk. Same again on this side. We've then got the probes for the actual Karcher, and we've also got the probe for the nilfisk. So you'll see the nilfisk end is a full round one, where the Karcher has got two flat sides. So it's up to you what you want to build. If you've wanted to use a different type of gun, you can do with your machine, just by not buying an end at that side. It's up to you how many ends you buy and vice versa. Thank you very much. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube. And like I say, this is a wall mounted 15, 20, 30 metre hose reel. Thank you very much, Q Services.